Hi everybody, it's Connie from the Danville Public Library. Welcome to this week. We read Goodnight Moon by Margaret Wise Brown. We made a snack from some things that we found in the book. And then today we're going to have a craft packet available and everything you need is in here. And you're going to be making some paper beads. And this is just some strips of paper from some old books, magazines. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get a straw. And we're going to get a piece of tape. And we are going to start with the very, very biggest end of your piece of paper. Put a piece of tape on it and then very carefully put it on your straw so that it looks like this. It looks almost like a little flag. Then you have to hold this pretty tight. You just start wrapping. I'm going to do it this way so you can see. Wrap, wrap, turn, turn, keep turning. See what it's looking like? There's the right side. And you just keep turning and turning and pull it tight and keep turning, turning, keep going and going. Oh my goodness, this is going to be pretty. It's a long one. Uh-oh, that's what happens. Pull it tight again. You're doing fine. And just keep wrapping. Hang on to it. 2 fingers to work best. And keep going. Then when you get about to here, take an itty bitty bit of glue, a little bitty bit of glue, and take it down to the end, itty bitty. Now you keep wrapping. You might get a little glue on your fingers too, but that's okay. Keep wrapping and keep wrapping. Hold it tight. Oh, there it goes. Don't let it go. Hold it tight. Keep going all the way. Oh boy, this is going to be a pretty bead. All the way to the end. Now when you get to the end, you'll have a little glue on your fingers, and you might have to hold that a minute, just like that, so that it won't unfold. Oh, this is a nice bead. Look at that. Now, he's like, well, I don't want to wear a straw around my wrist or my neck. Well, you don't have to. Get your handy dandy little scissors and go right here. Oh, clip that off. There it went. And turn it over and clip this off. And here's your bead. Okay? Now that's one bead. Can you see that? I'm going to put this on a paper so you can see it. It's brightly colored. And here are some other beads that we've made. And they're all colors and they're all sizes. And then later, when your bead dries, you can take this yarn and you can put it through the bead. Oh, there it goes. Is it going? Going, going. Oh, it's a little, there it is. Look. And you can put your necklace together or your bracelet. And oh, I like this bead. I'm going to put this one on next. Go through there, bead. Go through, get through there, a piece of yarn. Oh, here it comes, peeking out. Look at that. And you can take all of your beads and you can make yourself a necklace or you can make yourself a bracelet. And you can use all colors and you can see this one would be yellow and green. This one would be green. And they're just all going to be very, very pretty. So, oh, and look here. Here's a little bead I made from a little one. And this is one all brown. Look at the all brown bead. So make yourself some beads and make it into a necklace or a bracelet for yourself or somebody you'd like to share it with. So pick up our craft packet this week. Have fun, everybody. Bye.